Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Shopify shipping country issue at checkout. How do you fix it? So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, whenever you're actually testing out your store here and whenever you're checking out, as you can see, you only have one country available, the country where your store is currently located. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this one? Like, for example, you want to basically ship to a different country or ship to a specific country. Well, in this case, you need to complete a few details here and enable a few things in your settings. Now, the bottom left of your admin page here, go ahead and choose settings. And from here, the first thing we need to do is we want to first activate our market. So currently, the only market that is currently activated right now is going to be our local. In this case, at your settings at the left panel, go ahead and click on markets. As you can see, we only have the primary location for our store that is currently active. But we also have the inactive section, which includes international. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to basically make this active. Let's go ahead and click on the inactive at the top right, make this active, and click on save at the top right again. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to basically fill out all the details that we need. Now, for example, payments and taxes, make sure to manage that for international shipping. Also, you need to change your language or domain here if you want to only include products or pricing on a specific location. Well, you could basically change it in here. Now in this case, it is recommended that you complete all the details here like shipping, duties, imports, product pricing, payments, and taxes. Especially the section for shipping and delivery here. So at the left panel, go ahead and click on shipping delivery. From here, you need to go to your profile. Go ahead and click on your profile here. And from here, scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the domestic one as well as the international. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and edit your shipping here, edit your shipping rate, or if you want to add your another rate here, like for example, for specific sizes or for specific products, you can edit the shipping price for that. Now, in this case, once you've added all the details, your shipping rates, or any of the shipping details that you need, well, in this case, you can just go back into your checkout store here, and as you can see, you should now be able to access different countries in your checkout page. Now, in this case, this one is actually pretty easy, but the only problem that you will be able to basically need to take account for here is our taxes that you need to take account in whenever someone is actually shipping out, your shipping rate, and yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.